Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Kia Sorento EX. So kind of just below the SX sits the EX, very focused on luxury. This one has the 2.5 turbo, same as the SX X-Line. I just reviewed. The video should be going live yesterday. This one stickers for $38,280. Still a very nice vehicle, very fun to drive, tons of power, absolutely awesome. I'm a huge fan of these. Finished here in this beautiful black on black, with I believe the same wheels that are on the hybrid. The hybrid model might have a little bit smaller wheels. It's just an overall absolute beauty of a car. What do they call it? Ebony black over black. Take a look under the hood at that 2.5. Not bad at all. That should be closed. Without further ado, let's take this thing out for a nice little drive on our test track. Give me some heat. There we go. Oh, that's nice. All right. How do you turn that one on? Is that not a light? It looks like a light, but great visibility. This one's a slightly smaller screen than the SX I just reviewed. So if there's people sleeping in the back, quiet mode is only played to the front seats, and if your volume is at like 36, it will decrease to 7. So if you can't turn it above volume 7. That's designed if there's people in the back who are sleeping on a road trip, it doesn't disturb them. This one has the analog gauges compared to the digital. Same drive modes though. You have all-wheel drive lock, comfort, eco, snow, smart, and sport. Parking cameras, electronic parking brake, downhill brake control, which I'm going to start testing on this hill. That'd be pretty cool. There we go. So it's riding the brakes for me and keeping this certain speed. No paddle shifters on this one. That's only in the SX. I think the X-Line is the only one with paddle shifters. Maybe the hybrid, but I haven't driven the hybrid yet. Although by the time this goes live, I should have probably already driven the hybrid. All the materials in here are extremely nice to the touch, especially for the price point. You have to think about this is under $40,000. Kia has been providing some of the best, if not the best, bargains on the market, hands down. It is just remarkable what they're providing for the price point. Into the S-turns. Wow. That 2.5 is one of my favorite motors. It's so torquey. I'm definitely excited to try out the K5 GT, which is going to have this same motor in it. But of course, it's going to be a little bit lighter, a little bit more tuned for performance. When I say it's going to be lighter, it's not going to be a lightweight version of the K5. It's going to be lighter than, of course, a full-size SUV. And the platform is going to be just a little bit different, just being tweaked for normal driving, you know, for a sedan platform instead of a 3-row SUV. It's kind of ironic that we're driving past some Suburbans and Tahoes. While the Telluride is a little bit, I would say, is a little bit closer to your Tahoe than this, it just kind of shows that for like $20,000 less than one of those, you can get something just as nice. Now it's a completely different market for both vehicles, but if you're just looking for a 3-row SUV, you don't have to go straight to the big boy. Oh man, that's awesome. It's just something about a turbocharged powertrain over a naturally aspirated V6, which would have been normally fitted in this in the previous gen. There's just something so different about how it delivers power, which is pretty ironic because there is the previous generation of the Sorento. There's just something so unique about how a turbocharged powertrain delivers power over a naturally aspirated V6. All the torque is right there. You don't have to wind it out. It's just, oh, it's sensational. I love it. This is an absolutely huge improvement. All these newer models of Kias are all just making the interiors worlds above what they were. The exterior looks are amazing. Kia is changing the game when it comes to making vehicles and keeping them extremely affordable. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.